Firstly, this video is all about stock market learning. Secondly, I have no intention to sell any type of course or services here. Third, I need your just a few minutes that may bring you closer to the better understanding of the stock market knowledge. Hello, new traders and the old ones who have been still struggling. Have you ever tried to learn stock market via internet, YouTube videos, free or paid courses? If you have ever tried, firstly, you must have wasted your time in the search of reliable content from the vast ocean of over excessive information or content available on the internet. And fortunately, when you had been able to find some source on which you can rely, you would have started to learn. Either you must have been delivered with complexities, or you might have felt amazed on watching the results while learning the particular strategy, system, indicators, patterns, etc. But on the contrary, when there had been the time to jump in real market with all those learnings, you must have faced with below average or no result. And the very reason behind different results must be half-baked knowledge you had received. The knowledge you had received about various strategies, systems, indicators, patterns, etc. must be incomplete. I make you very clear that with incompleteness, I am not referring about any psychology or risk management here which has been trending these days. I am primarily talking about the half-baked knowledge of stock market and technical strategies out there, which is the foundational part of any trading strategy, and that must not be incomplete. As you already know, half knowledge is always dangerous. Either be ignorant or be excellent. And due to continuous failing efforts, you must have lost a lot of time, energy, money, and confidence. But do not worry, I have also gone through the similar journey. In 2012, I entered into this ocean of money stock market. It has been 9 years. I also went through a lot of internet searching, a lot of videos, and a lot of people in the thrust of learning various type of strategies, systems, setups, indicators, or patterns, etc. to get what? Below average or no results. I have got through this journey all by myself with the time of 9 years, or you can say 9 years experience. I have learned the very hard way what is the stock market is all about. I make one point very clear that I have no intention to offend any teacher or any course seller out there. But in the most of the videos, content and courses out there, I have found one thing very common, that is incompleteness. Everyone shows the positives about their strategies, etc., but no one ever tried to talk about the negative side of their system, which left us with half-baked incomplete knowledge. And to become successful here in the stock market, you must know the negatives too. कम knowledge होगा तो चलेगा, पर जितना भी knowledge है ना, वो पूरा होना चाहिए in all the aspects. You must know what is not useful. You must know the extent of usefulness if you luckily find something useful. Therefore, I am initiating a campaign for helping my brothers, my mates who have already been struggling, or the new traders who are going to face the same struggling period as we had to face in the past. It is the time to bring a change, time to change your perception towards the learnings of stock market. On the basis of my 9 years extensive experience of the stock market, I will bring the collective information and content to bring you clarity on each type of strategies, indicators, etc. out there. And by bringing clarity, I meant I will deliver all the important points regarding each strategy at one place, followed by all the most important aspects, the extent of usefulness, and the most important unuseful aspects and the reason behind the same. It is going to be like post-mortem of each thing available out there. It is going to save your precious time in two ways. First, there will be no need to invest time in searching a reliable content. There will be no need to invest your time in learning things which will not be useful. and this is going to definitely helping you shortening your learning curve because time is everything. If you are still watching this video, congratulations and welcome. I am Kunal Dhaka. Thank you for watching this video. Let's change your perception with small stop loss KD, changing lives. Thank you.